This is a sample gradebook file, pretty much close to what it looked like downloading directly from Canvas. We've got some identifiers of the students. Again, it's anonymized. But this is wide form. This is not long form. This is what we call wide data, because there's a bunch of columns and it's really wide and it doesn't really have that many rows. So this should look familiar if you've read about tidy data, if you've read Hadley Wickham's paper on tidy data. This is a really important concept to get if you're going to start digging into analysis, is this concept of tidy data. Starting with and using tidy data is going to make your future data analysis life so much easier. One of the things we notice right away is it's got this points possible right here. We just really don't even want that at all. What you probably want to do is highlight these two columns, copy it, open up a new Excel document, and what you'll do is you'll paste it and transpose that. What that does is it takes everything, and what you're doing is you've actually just made a tidy data set which talks about the assessments. So this is exactly how the assessments were created. So rather than student ID, this is going to be assignment name, and I don't really like spaces, points possible. And then you can save this as an assignment file that describes all of the assignment names. You can then add additional metadata meaning data about the data, meaning what type of an assignment it is. And in your assignments file, you'll actually see that I've already inserted that in there. But this is just so you see how this was done. Then you can go ahead and delete that, and now you've got at least got a pure file in that all of the first row is headings, and then after the first row it's all data. Now I'm going to show you next on what to do to get it from wide to long format.